What is up, everyone? Welcome to another video on Free My Wheels channel. Thank you for tuning in, and we're gonna unbox these Star Wars diecast car ships. Wedo, you're gonna help me, Wedo?
Yes.
Yeah. Which one do you want to open up? Which one looks cool? So the cooler one, we'll leave it for last.
That one.
That one, ya lo abrí. Mira, al rato te lo enseño. Already opened it. Show it to you later. Which one's the best one? All of these that you think that looks cool. This one?
That's the first one. That's the first one.
And then this one. Okay, so we're gonna open up this one first. So open it. This one's a Geisha Thai Striker. Oh, ¿cómo dice? Thai Striker. Here, open it up. From Rogue One, a Star Wars story. You got it? You can rip it open, it doesn't matter. Tú rómpelo. Eso, tú rómpelo todo. Sácalo. Sí, sin miedo, que se rompe todo, no importa, güey. And then this one is the Rebel U-Wing Fighter. This one's gonna be next.
With a cool box.
Cool box. Show it off. Ahorita tú.
I can't really take it out.
And we got another little guest that wants to also open up some.
And he's playing with his Nintendo.
He's playing with the little Game Boy. Diggy. No lo puedes sacar, pero.
Do you have
Scissors, mira, yo te lo saco. Mira, abre el otro, abre este. So here is the. Wait. There you go. No, it's okay. Alright, you show it. Wait.
We collected all three of them.
You saw, see? So this is the
that the same?
Thai Striker. It looks the same. A ver, ahora ábrelo. ¿Cuál sigue?
We're just missing one more.
No, no.
We're missing
No,
that one.
no.
The ghost.
Dale, ábrelo, güey.
We're just missing the ghost.
Oh,
And they're from Disney Channel.
sí.
It says right here.
Rip it open. Y acá, the last one is the Partisan X-Wing Fighter. That's pretty cool. You almost got it, where? No, mira. Ahí está. Wow. Sas.
Again.
Again. Sí, sácalo. Sácalo. Oh, very
I think
nice.
these are turbo.
Yeah, those are turbo
And it's
boosters.
blue in the bottom.
U-Wing Fighter. Muy cool. Y luego el Noah. No lo pudiste sacar, pa. Ahí, yo te ayudo.
Ripped it off.
Ahí está. Yeah.
See them in a race.
En un race, ahorita los vamos en un race. Mira, wow. Sí, ese es otro, pero es el mismo, pa. Very nice. I like this one. This is pretty cool. Black and white and gray. Oh no, too fast for me.
So this one is fast.
That one's fast.
Yeah, this one is fast. Not as ready. No, okay. No. Here.
Dale para allá.
Okay, now get ready to eat. Okay, then both sides.
No. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
With the name.
This is the dab.